the best way to deal with birds is to exclude them from your plants. You'll need to protect your tender young seedlings and transplants. Once plants get more mature, they will be tougher and way less vulnerable to bird damage. One way to control birds is to scare the birds using pinwheels. Pinwheels can scare birds away. Some say that the movement and reflective light from pinwheels can be intimidating or unpredictable for birds. These pinwheels, also known as bird blinder pinwheels, can be made from durable plastic and can be mounted in many places, including gardens, yards, and homes.